Why you lose consistently when trading. The truth might surprise you. I will reveal everything you need to know. Also, I'm going to show you a strategy with high probability winning ratio. Beginner and experienced traders will definitely find this video useful. Okay, I'm going to set the timer for the platform. First thing, I'm going to switch from 15 seconds to 1 minute Japanese candles. Then I'm going to switch this from the regular timer to the flag mode. And remember, on the flag mode we set it to 1 minute, not 30 seconds or 2 minutes. Make sure this is on 0 at all times, okay? Else your trade will close very wrongfully. Let me use that word. Right, click on the side here and it's save. Definitely taking this trade here for two guys. The reason why I did that was, if you look closely, we had a inside gap, right? Plus there was a engulfing candle. It wasn't one of the strongest, but it was okay. And the main thing why I took this trade was because of the inside gap, which I expect it to be closed because of the movements of the market and based on candlestick psychology. And yeah, see, it turned out to be successful. Taking this one also, if you notice, you can see the inside gap. It's basically inside of this candle here. Let me see something. What's going on here? Oh, that was some other trade which I said earlier. Let me go back to this. Let me see what's happening over here. Okay, that was some different alarm which I set in previous session. Yes guys, so as you see right here, the inside gap is filling. You see that? That's how inside gap works, guys. And I need you guys to understand something. Not all the gaps are good gaps, okay? You have to know how to differentiate strong from weak, because it's the same in the world, right? You have yin and yang. It's the same thing with every strategy. You have strong and weak. I will continue all this speech and the next trade. Okay, I'm taking this even though the percentage is very low. I'm taking it because the opportunity is just so clean, man. Like, I don't know, but I didn't want to miss this trade. I'm being very honest with you. I just didn't want to miss this. Hopefully it doesn't turn out to be a losing trade, because then it wouldn't be worth it, right? But this trade was just so clean. You see how big this inside gap was? Look at that. You see, the price is trying to close the inside gap. See that? Right. Still be a winning trade anyway. Let's find another opportunity. Noticing a lot of inside gaps. Oh god, this market is so beautiful, man. Let me see what's going on this right here over here. Oh, I wanted. Okay, no, I'm not gonna take that. I'm not trying to go against that momentum. Let's see what's gonna happen right here. Okay, so that trade turned out to be a losing trade, unfortunately. Okay, so I think I lose what, 2 trades, so I'm gonna take 4 right here. The reason why I did this was, you see this continuation sign and this breakaway gap. I'm expecting the price to at least close below my entry point. Okay, no, these candle wasn't strong candles, but they show continuation sign, which was why I took the trade. Okay, plus I see the breakaway gap also, and I know, and I'm very confident that the price will try to close at least under my entry right here, because also I use discount entry. All right, wait, I don't understand, why am I seeing so many inside gaps? Like, what the hell? All right, let's see if this is going to, you know, this trade is a very good trade though. Beautiful trade, guys. Oh my god, if I had seen what I'm seeing, I should have entered a little bit higher, but it's okay. I'm expecting the inside gap to, at least try to be filled. Come on. Beautiful. That's what I'm talking about.